Good morning, children, and welcome to your maths lesson today. So the date is the 28th of the 1st, 2021, and your learning objective today is to interpret data from scaled pictograms. So slightly different learning to yesterday, where it was just pictograms. Today we're going to be focusing on the scaled pictograms. But before we get into that, let's do our fast five. So today we are doubling numbers. So pick your challenge, mild, medium, or hot, and you just need to double these numbers and just write the answer, okay? So have a go, pause the video and spend about 5-10 minutes doing that. Okay, and now you can mark yourselves up. Hopefully you'll have noticed some patterns and things. So if 25 doubled is 50, then 250 doubled is going to be 500, things like that. Hopefully for these hot ones, you'll have been able to carry over in your head just to get that mental maths really quick. So well done for your fast five this morning. Okay, so all of the other days we have gone through our vocabulary, but today I've covered them up just like I did in the reading. I want you to see if you can remember the definitions for statistics, data, analysing and interpret. So you can discuss if there's someone with you or just think about it if you're on your own, try and test yourself. Can you remember the definition of these words? Pause the video now. Okay, let's see how you got on. So statistics, collecting and analysing numerical data. Okay, so it's a part of maths, just like our number and place value, our multiplication, division. Statistics is another part of maths, okay? Data. You remember what that was? It's just information, okay? Analysing is a detailed examination, so looking really closely at it. And interpreting, it's explaining something, okay? Using the data to explain. So, pictograms. Now, pictogram uses pictures or symbols to represent discrete data. A key shows the value represented by one picture or symbol. Now I've drawn these little guys looking at the keys because this is a reminder to you, you really need to look carefully at the keys today because we are looking at scaled pictograms today. So it's not going to be one picture represents one vote or one child. It is going to be scaled. So you need to look at the key, okay? It is important to identify the value of the whole picture or symbol in a pictogram, as part symbols are often used to show different values. In both of these pictograms, the data is the same, but the value of the symbol is different. Okay, so what it means here is that if this whole circle is 2 children, then half a circle or a semicircle is how many children do you think? Well done, it's 1 because it's half of 2. Okay, so for example, with this key for 4 children, if a whole circle is 4 children, then what do you think a half semicircle will be? It's 4. And what about this? Can you remember what this is called? It's a quarter. So how many children do you think that will be worth? It's 1 child, okay? So it's really important. It is key to look at the keys today, okay? So these are the Teams quiz questions. So if you want to stay here for a little bit longer, just while I talk through the first couple, that's absolutely fine. If you're feeling confident and you want to just go ahead and do your Teams quiz now, then please pause the video and just jump straight into that. If you don't have access to Teams, don't worry. You can just write number 1 and then just write your answer. Don't worry about writing out the question, anything like that. The main thing is you are doing your learning, you're using your brain to interpret the data, okay? So before you start any of the questions, you need to really carefully look at the pictogram, okay? Take it all in. So Class A carried out surveys about children's favourite things, okay? So here we have the sport, then we have the different sports, the different options they were given, and here it says number of children. So this side will show us how many. Now the key today for this one circle equals 2 children. Okay, really important. So think about what we just said. That is 2 children. What is half going to be? Okay, so that's all the input I'm going to give, because judging on how you did yesterday with the 1-to-1 pictograms, you did really, really well. So today I'm really excited to see how you get on with the scaled pictograms. So I'm going to read through all the questions. If you're doing this on Teams, then please pause this video now and go ahead and do that. If you're not, then stay with me and pause the video to give you enough time to answer each question, okay? So number 1, what was the most popular sport? Rugby, tennis, hockey or football? Number 2, how many children voted for hockey? 1.5, 3, 6 or 9? Number 3, how many more children chose football than rugby? 9, 3, 11 or 10? Remember, you don't have to answer them this quickly, children. Pause the video and spend your time, okay? Number 4, how many children were involved in the survey? 21, 28, 30 or 24? Okay, a new pictogram now. Which was the least popular drink? Lemonade, milk, orange juice or water? Number 6, how many children chose water and lemonade all together? 20, 3, 15 or 6? Number 7, what could the title of this pictogram be? Types of drinks, a pictogram to show smiley faces, a pictogram to show children's favourite drinks, a pictogram to show what drinks the supermarket sells. Okay, another one here now. So this is a true or false question. It says 15 children chose chocolate. True or false? Next one, 50 children chose strawberry and salted caramel together. True or false? Okay, now this one, Emma and Brody have both created a pictogram. Now look at their keys. It's a clue for you. Emma says our pictograms look different. Brody says one of us must have made a mistake. Do you agree? Have they made a mistake? Yes or no? Spend as long as you like on this one. It's a little bit harder. Okay, another pictogram here. So what's the best fit title for this pictogram? So spend your time looking at it. A pictogram to show temperature at different times of the year. A pictogram to show visitors to the soft play centre. A pictogram to show children's birthday months. Okay, there were 4 visitors during February, true or false? In which season will the soft play centre make the most money from ticket prices? In the spring, because there might be an Easter egg hunt there. In the summer, because of the summer holidays. Or in the winter, because it is the season with the most visitors. Okay. And last question for today. How many more visitors in the spring months are there than in the summer? There are 30 more visitors, there are 80 more visitors, there are 8 more visitors. Okay, so take as much time as you like to go back, refresh, check your answers, but well done for trying so hard with your learning today. You're making us all so proud. And tomorrow in maths, it will be your Friday arithmetic. So a break from statistics and we'll start again on Monday. Take care, bye.